Dear students, today we will discuss about some more types of sets. Let me take one example. Set A. X says that X is the number of girls study in class 11 in a boys school. What will be its answer? Boys school में number of girls in class 11, there is no girls. No girls means result is 5, or this 5 is known as empty or void or null. क्लियर? मीन्स हमारे पास आता है एम्प्टी सेट. A set which has no elements. Any sets which has no elements, and its notation is either phi or this curly bracket. If you see these two, any of these two, in that case only that set is empty set, otherwise no other set will be empty set in roster form, because this is set holder form. आप ये सोचोगे इसमें तो फाई और ये नहीं है, ये कैसे empty set होगा, which is roster form. Clear? If we think this is empty set or not, so this is not empty set, this is singleton set, not empty, because 0 is the element of this set. 0 is here element. We cannot take its value. 0 is the element of this set. Clear? Second is singleton set. As its name can indicate, a set which has only one element. Clear? See, X says that X belongs to n and 4 less than X less than 6. Means its result is only 5. So this is singleton set. Clear? Third is finite set, as its name indicate. Finite set. A set which contain finite number of elements. इसमें finite हो means in common sense we can say that the elements of that set which are countable, जिनकी हम counting कर सकते हैं. For example, a equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is finite set and n of a is 6. n means number of elements in this set, और इसको हम बोल सकते हैं cardinal of a set, means number of elements. Clear? If we write 100 natural number P set, X says that X is a natural number less than 100. What is its roster form? Its roster form is 1 2 3. No need to write all numbers. 1 2 3, write its pattern, then dotted dash dash, write dash dash, and put last number. So here last number is not 100, last number is 99 because there is less than 100. Clear? Fourth is infinite set. As its name indicate, a set which contain infinite number of elements. इसमें infinite number of elements हो means non-countable. X says that X is a natural number. अब natural number are infinite. So if we write it into roster form, then this is 1 2 3 dash dash. बस पैटर्न राइट कर दीजिए डैश डैश. यदि यहाँ पे कोई एंड पॉइंट है, इसकी लिमिट है, तो फाइनाइट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे देखो इसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है, सो इट इज इनफाइनाइट सेट. ये हमारे पास क्या है, एक इनफाइनाइट सेट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल सेट्स. इक्वलिटी के लिए एटलीस्ट टू सेट्स भी, और टू सेट्स A and B are said to be equal if each element of A belongs to set B and each element of set B belongs to set A. मीन्स A के सभी एलिमेंट B में बिलोंग करने चाहिए और B के सभी एलिमेंट A में बिलोंग करेंगे. तो देन वी कैन से दैट these two sets are equal set. Otherwise A is not equal to B. Or in other words we can say that both sets have same element. Or otherwise, in other way we can say that both sets have same element. दोनों सेट्स के सेम एलिमेंट हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल A is 1 2 3, B is 3 2 1. तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 3, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 3 3 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है, 2 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है, 3 यहाँ 1 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है. तो these are equal sets. So means we can write it as A equals to B. Clear? If a set contain repeated elements, let C equals to 1 3 5, D equals to 1 1 3 3 5. So these are also equal sets. Means repetition, no need to repeat of any elements in a set. So cannot, no need to repeat the elements in a set. If we repeat that counting is only 1. यदि हम रिपीट भी करते हैं तो भी उसकी काउंटिंग क्या होगी, 1 ही होगी. काउंटिंग इंक्रीज नहीं होगी. ठीक है? तो व्हेन वी डिस्क्राइबिंग एनी सेट्स then repetition is not allowed. Repetition, please don't repeat any elements. Clear? Now we discuss exercise 1.2. First, which of the following are the example of null set? following are null set. Null set means empty set. First, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Set of odd natural number divisible by 2. क्या कोई ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर है, ओड नेचुरल नंबर है जो 2 से डिविजिबल हो? तो नहीं है. तो दिस इज ए null set, means we have no elements. Second, set of even prime number. Even prime number, that is even prime number is 2, तो not null set. ये null set नहीं है. क्लियर? थर्ड, x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number. X less than 5 and x greater than 7. Is there any natural number which is less than 5 and greater than 7? Means no. So this is null set. Fourth, y such that y is a common point. Y is a common point to any two parallel lines. How many common points in a parallel line? No common point. So that is also null set. Clear? Question 2. Which set are finite or infinite? First, means we have to identify finite set and infinite set. So first is the set of month of a year. The set of month of a year. So how many months in a year? That are 12, means this is finite sets. Second, 1 2 3 डैश डैश. देखो इसका लिमिट पॉइंट नहीं है, इसका एंड पॉइंट नहीं है, तो दिस इज इनफाइनाइट. थर्ड, 1 2 3 डैश डैश 99 100. लिमिट पॉइंट आ गया, 100 के बाद तो नहीं है, तो दिस इज फाइनाइट. क्लियर? द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ग्रेटर देन 100. The set of all positive integer greater than 100. So there are infinite positive integer greater than 100. So this is infinite set. Fifth, the set of prime number less than 99. The set of prime number less than 99. So there are finite set of prime number less than 99. So this is finite set. Clear? Third, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Again, which of the following is finite or infinite? First, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. The set of line which are parallel to x-axis. So how many lines? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So there are infinite lines which are parallel to x-axis. So this is infinite set. Clear? Next, second, the set of letters in English alphabet. Letters in English alphabet. There are 20 sets English alphabets. This is 26, sorry. There are 26 English alphabet. So this is a finite set, not infinite. This is finite set. Third, the set of number which are multiple of 5. Set of number which are multiple of a 5. So there are infinite number which are multiple of 5. So this is infinite set. Clear? The set of animals living on the earth. Living on the earth. So these are countable, so finite. The set of circle passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. There are infinite set of circle which passes through the origin. So this is infinite. Clear? Fourth, in the following state whether A equals to B or not. State whether A equals to B or not. First, A equals to A, B, C, D. B equals to D, C, B, A है, B है, C है, D है, सभी में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स भी इक्वल है. फर्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल. सेकंड, ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर आल्सो इक्वल. सेकंड, A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16. B equals to 8, 4, 16, 18. 8, 4, 16, 18. So 12 is not common, so A is not equal to B. Third, A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B equals to X such that X is positive even integer and X less than equal to 10. Positive even integer less than equal to 10. तो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 क्योंकि इक्वल टू है तो बोथ आर इक्वल, तो A इक्वल्स टू B. फोर्थ, X such that X is a multiple of a 10. B 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30 like that. But here 15, so A is not equal to B. All elements of A are in B and all elements of B are in A. Clear? Fifth, are the following sets are equal? Give reason. Are following sets are equal. रीजन देना है. फर्स्ट a इक्वल्स टू 2 3, b equals to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Means we have to represent this set in roster form. So for this we solve this quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, then multiplication is a 6, addition is a 5. So we can write it as x square plus 3x plus 2 5 plus 6 equals to 0. X common, x plus 3 plus 2 common, x plus 3 equals to 0. So x plus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 3. So B sets have minus 2 minus 3. Here 2 3. So A is not equal to B. Clear? Second, A. X such that X is a letter in the word follow. FOLLOW. So A is FOLW. Repetition is not allowed. B set Y such that Y is a letter in the word wolf. So B is WOLF. So both have same elements. So A equals to B. Clear? From the sets given below, select equal sets. From these sets given below, select equal sets. A is 2 4 8 12. B is 1 2 3 4. C is 4 8 12 14. D is 3 1 4 2. E is minus 1 1. F is 0 A. G is 1 minus 1. H is 0 1. A देखिए 2 4 8 12, 4 8 12 14, 3 1 4. तो A के इक्वल तो कोई नहीं है, तो A तो हम राइट नहीं कर सकते. B 1 2 3 4, 3 1 2 4. तो B इक्वल्स टू D. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारे. ठीक है. E के इक्वल क्या है? माइनस 1 1. G 1 minus 1. तो E इक्वल्स टू G. क्लियर? और कोई आपस में हो सकता है इक्वल, और कोई इक्वल है. ओके. तो फ्रॉम सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज what we'll have learned: empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, or specially is equal sets. Equal sets means number of elements of both sets are also equal, and also elements are also equal. Number of elements equal plus elements are also equal. During description of a set, no need to repeat any elements. Okay, so this is all about exercise 1.2. Thank you.